Hi, good day, my lovely people. You don't know your girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Yo, baby mother, hey, baby mother drip. Hi guys, welcome to the vlog.
If you find the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and run, yeah, yeah.
Today's video, today's Sunday, and I'm actually just on the road grabbing a few stuff for Monday, because you guys know I have work, so I have to prepare and stuff like that. So yeah, that me I don't know. And I'm actually gonna go by my house today to see my family. So you guys can probably get to see Punki and Mama bathing. I actually went shopping yesterday and got some stuff because my clothes don't fit. My clothes don't fit. Yeah, they don't fit at all. And I'm having problem finding maternity stuff in Jamaica. Like, I think we need a maternity store here. So that's a business idea for somebody that's looking to start a business and don't know what to do. Pregnant people don't know what to go for buy fine clothes, or if you go somewhere they don't have what you need. So I think there's a need for that in Montego Bay for sure. I saw other pregnant people. I'm asking, you have problems to find clothes to fit, and they said yes. So that's a great business idea. Today's a beautiful day outside. I'm feeling really good today. I'm actually 20 odd weeks and some days, belly big, you know, face swollen, but I feel good. I actually woke up and comb my hair, you know, put on a little lip gloss. I'm bathing, so that's a good move. Not much now really going now. Just a few concerns. I think I probably changed my doctor, because the doctor that I was going from, I found out I was pregnant. The other day she said to me, say, you know, it's a good idea if you take the COVID test. Yeah, she said to me, say, oh, it's okay for you to take the COVID test. The COVID vaccine, I should say, not the test, the COVID vaccine. I mean, I said, I don't want to take a vaccine now with my baby. Like, if I'm going to take the vaccine, it should wait after I give birth. I don't want to take that upon myself and then I'm going to develop side effects and stuff like that. Have sickness, and me not have no sickness now. Me tell her no. So, me just need an opinion from a different doctor, because most places they ask if you're pregnant or whatever before they give you anything. So, that me I going to do. So, I'll check back in with you guys. That look like you're hurting. So later, I'll check back in with you guys. Guys, I'm actually wearing blue today. Does that tell you anything? Okay, that's actually I'm coming on. So I'm grabbing something in Progressive really quick. And then I'll be done with shopping for today, because the country closed 2 o'clock today. So I'm gonna check out now and I will be good for the day. I look so cute today. Yeah. Before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and share with a friend. And a friend, you don't know, say Skylife through our day. Hi, Aria. Come and open the gate for me. Good morning, Aria. Hey, how you doing? Be Italian. How you not in the morning? so dry. How you doing? Watch out. That's a girl. Let's see the complex. Wi-Fi come? No. When you go down, go down a place to yeah? Yes. Watch out. This is mom. Oh God. The light. Hi guys. So I'm by my house now. I'm actually doing a Fiverr job. I have some Fiverr jobs that I need to do. I didn't go to work today because I'm not feeling well. But I just have some fever and stuff. I'm gonna want up and about with this fever. Makes me go feel like more drop down and stuff. So I'm just go and deal with work here. And then my head, I'm trying to block out the light. Me and Punka head in town. And then I'll be going to get some rest. So I'll talk to you guys. Oh, did they hide it from me? A boy baby me go. Why you tell mama information? Stephanie, me not tell her say me I wake up and go doctor. What you tell me say? Yes, doctor run through everything in hand, in brain, in foot, everything. They make me sit down. They give me kick and they sitting there. Jimmy, I need to put a square off the soil ago. I'm too busy here, man. Let me see now. See that boy. Let me see that. So why boy? Let me get a see. Mama, that time food. Boy. You know, say boy. No, sharp. I can't. Now tell a boy or girl, look. Me no see one thing. I want them Mama. I want to hear this. Yeah, them bright funny. Me I tell you. Let's see, yeah, them clear. And he foot and he hand. You know see hand? Yeah, you're bright. Watch out. See hand, yeah. This a doctor, you want different doctor say ultrasound. Come up. Yeah, you're bright and he jaw. See Vaji, yeah. Me. Vaji, yes, sir? Yes. A girl, yes. I don't know boy. It's a girl. Yeah. Woo! A girl. You still have to go get gender reveal though. No girl, you don't got. Yes, you they right upon it. You never see it. Your glasses never. So they right upon it. We put this one different doctor so when you do something, see it. I could you know. Me know a girl, but a doctor mess me up so stupid because me know. No, sir. Jimmy. Me and Mr. Rose watch a video one night. You know, see it a boy, you know. Jimmy one. And that him one. Oh God. And he alright, see him foot them. See two, yeah. I want that mama to lie. See one, yeah, yes, see one, yeah. Yes, and two eyes. And in hand. I zoom in. They have to shake him up, seeing like them. They don't take him the eye not so bright. He went asleep, so. So maybe he's frightened. Me frightened because the man has to shake up my belly. But say head turned down though. But maybe she turns so because he has space he can turn. Then in a turn one place. Good morning guys, welcome to the vlog. I am going to do a few things today. So firstly, I'm going by the doctor. I want to get issue I'm going to check out. And then I'm going to get a massage because my body is hurting me so much, especially my back. And then once I do that, I'm going to try to get my hair done. See if the girl can pull it out for me or something. and then I'll be taking the rest of the day to rest if this doesn't take me all day. So before you go any further, please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, leave a comment in the comment section box below. How you doing? You don't know your girl Melica Skylife. Margaritaville right over there, so I am actually playing a pass. Ooh, I'm so tired. I just walk up a fleet of steps. So today I am actually getting a massage at Kevitas. Kevitas is located on Bottom Road in Montego Bay, right across from Margaritaville, right beside Burger King upstairs. I've done procedures there before, facials, but now I'm gonna do a prenatal massage. I think to know pregnant people don't get regular massage, you get prenatal massage, because with the prenatal massage they don't apply pressure to your back and to your lower feet. So I've been having a lot of back pains and stuff, so I'm gonna get that done today. I might go over to Margaritaville to get a drink after, non-alcoholic, yes. And then I want to get my hair done. I'm not sure I'm gonna have enough time, so I'll probably get it done tomorrow, which is Sunday. I don't know if it can be done. So that's what I'm gonna do now. Kevitas is located at Bottom Road, right across from Margaritaville, right beside Burger King upstairs.